It's not uncommon for iPhones to have issues during updates, such as the latest iOS 18, but perhaps one of the most common issues is the iPhone getting stuck on the update screen. This guide will walk you through exactly what to do when your iPhone is stuck on the update screen. A stable Wi-Fi network and sufficient power are necessary conditions to ensure that the iPhone successfully sends the iOS 18 update request and completes the installation of the update. Firstly, you can launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then check and connect to available Wi-Fi. Now plug your iPhone into a charging socket even if it is fully charged. Then go to Settings, then General, then Software Update to update your device. Force restart can solve many problems, but the order of force restarting is different for different versions of iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, firstly, tap the volume up button and then tap the volume down button, then tap and press the side button and the screen goes black. Now continue holding it until the Apple logo appears on the screen again. Now the force restart is complete and you can release the buttons. If you need the best solution to help you fix iPhone stuck on update screen, then AnyFix is your best choice. It can fix 150 plus issues on iPhone and iPad, such as stuck on updating screen, iPhone keeps flashing Apple logo, unable to activate, stuck on restore screen, etc. After repairing, your iPhone will be updated to the latest iOS version. No data loss and support latest iOS 18 and iPhone 16. Firstly, free download AnyFix and install it on your computer, then connect your iPhone to your computer. Now go to Device Rescue and select System Repair, then select Update Issue from the list of issues and click Start Now. Then follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode and download the matching firmware. After that, AnyFix will start repairing. Once completed, your iPhone will restart with the latest iOS version. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.